Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious whole cucumber pickles. First, choose small, firm cucumbers, as these yield the best texture. Next, prepare your brine by combining water, vinegar, salt, and a touch of sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring until the salt and sugar are fully dissolved. While the brine heats, make sure your pickling jars are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to ensure a safe and successful batch of pickles. Now it's time to add flavor and pack your jars. Place fresh dill sprigs, a few garlic cloves, and your favorite pickling spices into each sterilized jar. These aromatics will infuse your pickles with wonderful taste. Carefully pack your whole cucumbers tightly into the jars, ensuring they fit snugly. Remember to leave approximately 1/2 inch of empty space, known as headspace, at the top of each jar before moving to the next step. With your jars packed, it's time to preserve your pickles. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged. Use a clean utensil to gently remove any trapped air bubbles from the jars. Finally, place the filled jars into a boiling water bath, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Process them for 10 minutes to create a proper seal and ensure shelf stability. After processing, carefully remove the jars from the water bath and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 24 hours. As they cool, you might hear a satisfying pop as the lids seal. Once completely cool, check the seals by pressing on the center of each lid. It should not flex. Store your homemade whole cucumber pickles in a cool, dark pantry, and they will be ready to enjoy in a few weeks.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.